Alright guys, so we're back at it. Just waited for all this stuff to come in. It's pretty much everything's here. There's probably odds and ends that we have to get together to make this work, but other than that, it's pretty much ready to go. We did figure out an issue. You want to let them know about that issue?
Yeah, it looks like the intercooler. Actually, it looks like the turbo setup. The turbo isn't compatible with our header or our turbo manifold.
Yeah.
This one's smaller than ours. Also, the intercooler route, the way it's routed, we should have an inlet and an outlet, whatever it is, whichever one. In order to route our charge pipe and boost pipe, or charge pipe, boost pipe, same thing, whatever.
Yeah.
Whatever. To route that to the turbo, it looks like this might be wrong.
Either that or our only... Yeah, we're going to either have to use that manifold, or I'm going to have to buy an adapter for that header to work with this turbo. It's like a T3 to T4 flange, or a T2 to T4 flange, or something like that.
Yeah, whatever T.
I mean, we'll figure it out. But yeah, we're...
Other than that, it looks like it's ready to go. I think it'll all work if we use their setup. I think we can do everything with their setup.
Yeah.
So if we want to install their setup... Well,
it's specifically...
Because this is our setup.
Well, when I did this, it said everything was specifically for the RSX platform. So it's got to work somehow. Mm-hmm. So, and we'll figure that out as we go. But...
Where's the light? Is there a light?
A light? Somewhere. Hold on.
Get out of that fucking shot.
Yeah, you're good. All right, so basically what we've come to the conclusion that basically we are going to remove this manifold, the custom manifold, try to use theirs, see where we're at with that. Otherwise...
See the position of the turbo, see where it's at, see what it looks like.
Yeah.
If we don't like it, we can buy the adapter, for sure.
Yeah. I've already found the adapter, so I'm on... Right now we're just messing with stuff, so yeah, we'll get to it.
No, wait, yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
No.
No, wait, what?
Go down, go.
Oh, it's right there.
Right?
Yeah.
So that little bolt didn't work. So we got our gasket and studs and stuff for our manifold to the turbo flange, exhaust flange. So we'll hold off on that. We'll just go ahead and...
That'll be fine.
Yeah, that'll be fine.
Because this is the crush part right here.
Yeah. Hold that. I'll just put all this back in there.
What bolt is that?
These are just the studs from the
studs.
turbo manifold to the turbo. I just dropped one, of course.
Happens every time.
Every fucking time. Yeah. Alright, so we just string it. Okay, there we go. I really don't know how this intercooler piping is going to go up and over, but whatever. We'll
I think it's going to go this way, like this. I think it's going to.
Yeah, because it's got to go
this way. No, it's going to come. It's going to. There's so much in there. I think it happens to come down like this, and then it. I think that's.
I think it's coming this way, into our intercooler on this side.
that way too, and coming back up this way
into our intake. Yeah, this is our compression side, so it's pushing air.
Yeah, right. Okay.
It's going to push air up, over, down, around our shit down here, which is crazy. I don't even know how we're getting it by this fucking alternator. Hopefully, there's enough room in front of it to go down, and then over into our intercooler, across our intercooler, up, and then into our intake.
And that's where that bendy piece comes in.
Yeah.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sick.
Or however it comes into play.
Yeah.
It's like a very weird thing, but whatever. I mean, I trust the ad.
Yeah, I mean, they said that it.
I don't know. We got a lot of E3 USA shit on here.
I mean, it's fine.
E3
It's fine.
E3
Even if it
USA.
doesn't, if it's to the point where we're like at a loss, I'm be like, well, guess what, guys, you are gonna refund me. like this is the way it goes. So.
Or I mean,
because you said it worked for. You said it worked for. Right? That's
yours.
fine. Yeah. You said it worked for this platform, so.
Oh yeah.
That's on you.
They did.
Yeah.
I was like, me? I didn't say that.
No,
I was like,
I
I was like, no, sir.
Yeah. Whoa.
Yeah. So funny, dude. Alright. Well, turbo's kinda. So, I mean, we gotta mock everything up first. We want to make sure everything fits first. We want to make all of our cuts. If we're, I think there's light fab in this. I don't think that every one of these pipes that came with it goes on this car. No. How am I supposed to film on this camera?
All right, hold on.
You're gonna be like, you need more battery. Oh, we need more memory space. Oh, this battery keeps dying.
Pretty much.
This battery keeps dying.
I don't have it.
What is this fucking air filter? Looks kind of cool.
It's for the turbo.
Oh yeah. Is that the mesh screen one or the guard or no?
I don't know.
Is it inline one?
No.
No.
Maybe. No.
It looks
definitely
close
not.
one.
I think it's just a cheapo one.
Whatever.
It says racing. Yeah, so we're trying to figure out the intercooler piping plumbing system, how it's going to go. We're probably just going to go ahead and try to plumb it up, and then, yeah.
We're going to try. I don't know.
Let's just try. We're going to try.
I think we're going to get more.
He's being a crybaby.
No, sir.
All right, let's try. All right, so his theory is that the intercooler plumbing goes this way. So we're gonna have to get rid of this. So that's our project, right? Right now, getting rid of this thing.
Yeah, we got rid of it.
And then I have the delete kit. So that's where we're at. That's where you're gonna see. Good. All right. Cool.
Yeah.
All right. So my friend here figured out how this is gonna be set up. The piping's not coming over here.
Nah.
At all. There's no room.
There's no room to fit.
No room. So he's got you.
This don't go come through here.
No.
It ain't coming through.
No,
Nothing's happening.
that's the piping side.
Yeah, there's a belt. There's all that.
So it does. Tell him what it does.
Well, I think what we're gonna have to do is come. I think we're in this box here somewhere.
Mm-hmm.
There's got to be something.
Yeah, there's so much
here.
piping there.
Yeah, that comes around, and it's going to go down and around into the intercooler.
Yep.
Right? And then over here on this side, because we have a
bendy
north-south intercooler, whatever you want to call it, east-west exit, whatever, right? We have a 90. Now, I think this is meant for if we need to fabricate a bend or whatever. I think this is what we're supposed to use these are for, but also I've also seen them hooked up in cars 100% U-turn.
Yeah.
I think what's going to happen is we're going to have to attach this to the intercooler, and it's going to go above, or it's going to go below, or it's going to go around the back of this.
Yeah.
And then it'll come up and then attach to our.
What are we doing today?
Alternator relocate, AC delete.
Yeah.
Wastegate install. Should we install the header too, or whatever?
Yeah, we'll do that. I think might as well because
studs too.
Yeah, it did black.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should we use those?
All those in, yeah.
All right, let's do it. Let's get to it.
All right. What a night, dude.
Oh my god.
What time is it?
Oh, I don't even know.
2:06 in the morning.
Oh my god.
Does it say AM on here? No.
No. But
it's fucking dark out. Freaking dark out.
Alright, so let's start with this guy. This thing right here.
Yeah.
So
alternator delete, AC delete.
No, AC power steering delete kit.
Yeah, I'm tired.
Oh yeah. This is interesting. This guy. No instructions. You don't get instructions with that. But we figured it out for you guys, pretty much. So if you guys do want how it goes together, because it takes some work. Let's see if I can get in there. Yeah, it's not. Oh, okay, yeah.
Better?
Yeah. So you have to remove the pulley on the alternator and put this billet one on. You just use an impact. It's pretty easy. Then there's a bracket back here. Shoot. Let's see if I can. So there's a bracket right here with these spacers that you have to put on. And then up here.
Which ones you have to use.
So if you guys want to know what spacers those are and how it goes, we can help you out because we figured it out. So we got the belt on. It's good. It's tight. That ain't going nowhere. Oops. So yeah. And then you have to put this whole bracket together, or the tensioner. This replaces the tensioner basically. So
yeah, you remove your factory tensioner.
Yeah. So you don't need that anymore. What else? What's
no power steering.
No power steering. Yep, you have to get rid of that. We got the manifold on. It's bolted up good.
Turbo's not yet.
Turbo's not, because we still have to put the small pipe on.
That screamer pipe from the blow-off valve, or the, what is it called? Yep.
That one.
Blow off and
the wastegate.
Wastegate.
Yeah.
Holy shit.
Yeah, so yeah, it's been a long day. Night,
It's
actually.
been a long night.
Yeah, so there it is. We got. I don't know. I think that's a good placement. I feel.
It feels fine. Yeah, it looks fine.
Yeah.
Feels like it'll be okay.
Yeah, and then it's obviously I got the coupling coming in to come over, and then that's it. What's it? It's a 2 to 2.5.
2 to 2.5.
Yeah, because this is a 2. Just know. Yeah. And they're not going to send you the right coupling. You're going to have to order your own.
And then we also have to go from 3 or 77, whatever the fuck this is.
Yeah.
We have to go from 3
this is
to
2.5. Yeah, and also, I got that coming too. Coupler. That won't be in there either. So you have to order that one.
Man, we had some high hopes for tonight.
Yeah.
We were talking about mounting intercoolers and doing on the wastegate was a night.
It's a lot of work, I'll tell you that. If you guys buy the E3 USA or EM USA
kit, or maybe just anything.
Yeah,
it comes with no instructions.
Yeah, you're gonna have to figure it out. There's fab going on here, so. But we're figuring it out slowly. So if you guys have questions or anything like that, or maybe you've done this or seen this kit done and you have some pointers that you can give us, because this is crazy.
Yeah, this is different.
Yeah,
this isn't just, hey, this goes here, this goes there.
No.
It's, hey, here's some parts. Figure out how it goes together.
Yeah, pretty much. So, and like, I don't know, we haven't like come to a standstill to where we have to try to contact EMUSA, but
no. I think we'll figure it out.
Yeah, but other than that, it's pretty good. So that's where we're at.
2 a.m. You know, it's just one of those nights, bro. This is what happens when the boys are getting together and they're just working on their Hondas.
Yeah. So that's where we're at. So I guess we'll just keep you updated on as we move forward. So
tomorrow's another day, dude.
Yeah, and we have more parts coming in. So
yeah,
that's where we're at. So stay tuned. Like I said, if you have comments about this guy, it's crazy. But yeah, all right.